conditions. Observe the elegant spiral turn, a maneuver that appears as effortless as a leaf swirling through the air.
The aircraft today is being flown by Wing Commander A.K. Singh and it depicts
The Rafale now transitions into a low-speed flight, followed by a minimum radius turn. Despite operating near stall speeds, the aircraft maintains the perfect stability, courtesy of its computer-controlled fly-by-wire system and advanced aerodynamic design.